Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cybersecurity career workshops with CyberSeek, detailed guide step by step clearly. Identify your target audience for the workshop. Consider whether you want to focus on students, professionals looking to transition, or individuals seeking entry-level positions. Research the specific needs and interests of your audience regarding cybersecurity careers. Explore the CyberSeek website for data and resources related to cybersecurity careers. Familiarize yourself with the cybersecurity job market using CyberSeek's interactive workforce maps and tools. Determine the format of your workshops, such as in-person, virtual, or hybrid. Choose suitable dates and times that will accommodate your audience. Develop a detailed workshop agenda that includes key topics like career options, skill requirements, and certification paths. Gather materials and resources, including slides, handouts, and relevant links, to support your presentations. Plan interactive elements, such as group discussions or hands-on exercises, to engage participants. Reach out to industry professionals who may serve as guest speakers or mentors during the workshops. Promote your workshop through social media, community boards, and local institutions. Create an online registration process to track attendees and manage logistics efficiently. Prepare for each session by rehearsing your presentation and familiarizing yourself with the technology you will use. Host the workshop, ensuring to create a welcoming and engaging atmosphere for all participants. Encourage questions and discussions throughout the session to facilitate learning. Collect feedback from attendees via surveys or informal conversations to assess the effectiveness of your workshop. Analyze the feedback to improve future workshops and better meet the needs of your audience. Consider developing a follow-up resource kit with additional materials and support options for participants. Continue to refine your workshops based on audience feedback and emerging trends in the cybersecurity landscape. Stay connected with participants through a mailing list or online community to provide ongoing support and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.